channel. It's Yuyan. Today's video is all about this quick and glowy 10-minute makeup. I feel like every single time I do like a makeup tutorial, it's always on like glowy looks, like no makeup looks, and honestly that is pretty much what I wear day to day. And for the summertime especially, I want to just be glowy and fresh. Usually I like to do my makeup pretty fast just so I have it on and I can just be out the door. So this is the look that I've been doing recently, and I'm going to show you guys the products that I've been loving recently. So if you want to see how to get this 10-minute no makeup, glowy makeup kind of look, then let's just get right into it. Okay, so starting off with fresh skin, I did my sunscreen, my skincare routine, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mist. I find that just with a little bit of mist, it makes your makeup look so much glowier. So this is the Innisfree Dewy Glow Mist, and I love this. It smells so good too. Already a little bit glowier. Next up is concealer. So most days I don't actually wear foundation just because I do like to have my skin breathe, especially in the summertime when it is hot and you're already sweating. So I just go in with concealer. So first I use the NARS Creamy Concealer in Custard for my under eyes, places that I usually would conceal. I use it right over here, just a tiny amount, and then I put some on the bridge of my nose just to kind of give that a little bit of highlight. And the last place is just a little bit between the brows to also highlight that. And then I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend that out. Little Kobe is joining us. Hello Kobe, where is he? The next step is I use another color concealer. So this is also the NARS Creamy Concealer in Ginger. So it's a little bit darker than Custard, and I have like the mini size. I think it's so adorable. And then with this, I put this anywhere that I have a little bit of blemish. So this is more of my skin color currently. The Custard is more to like brighten. Okay, next up is the brows, and for the brows, I've been doing the same thing for pretty much years. If you looked at any of my other makeup tutorials, this is what I've been doing, and it's just something that has always worked for me. So first I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color 3.5, and with this, I kind of just outline my brows. So like I have really sparse hairs, and I do need a little bit more of a shape, so I use the pencil for that. And while I'm outlining, I kind of fill it in towards the back of the brow too. And this is what it looks like with the outline. I also use a spoolie side to just kind of blend it out a little bit better. And then as for the front of the brows, this is what I use, the Anastasia Medium Brown Brow Powder Duo, and I use the darker shade. And this is what it looks like with the brows on. I feel like brows make such a difference. Another thing I like to do is go in with a little bit of concealer, putting it on the back of my hands, and I just kind of conceal the edges a little bit just to clean it up. Sometimes if I do have some time, I do like to go in with a little bit of brow gel, but today I'm just gonna skip that because realistically every day I don't do that. So next up for eyeshadow, I actually use these two products. I combine them, but neither of them are actually an eyeshadow. You can definitely just go in with any eyeshadow that you want. I like to have like a shadow that's a little bit more brownish, so I just like to go in with these two. This one is the Benefit California Blush, and then this one is the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and I think they just make such a pretty combination together. So I kind of just dip into both, tap, 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 and I just put it on my lids. I like to just have like a little wash of color. Okay, and this is basically what it looks like. You can barely tell, but I just like a little splash of color on the lids, just a little bit. Next up is eyeliner, and I kind of go back and forth with this. Sometimes I have it on, sometimes I don't. Recently, I have been liking to use eyeliner, so I'm just gonna do it today. So this is the Glossy Pro Tip Liner. This is my favorite, all-time favorite eyeliner just because it's such a thin tip. It's very precise and very easy to use. So essentially what I do is I make a line like that, and then I just connect it to the middle. of my lid, and then I just fill it in. My favorite part, the blush. So first I use the Glossy Cloud Paint. This has been my new favorite color called Dawn, and it's just such a pretty orangey blush that's perfect for like the summertime. What I do is I put it on the back of my hand first. A little bit of this goes such a long way. I just dot it on my face. I like to have it on like the bridge of my nose here too. And I will just blend it out. And then I'm gonna go in with another blush. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic blush in Pillow Talk, and this is super pretty. It's very subtle, but it gives you such a beautiful little glow. So I primarily put this right over here. And then what I do is I go in with my beauty blender and kind of just press it into my face so it looks more natural, and also it blends it out a little bit more so it's not super pink. Favorite everyday highlighter, especially for summer, is the Glossier Halo Scope in Quartz. It is so pretty, and I just use this on the tip of my finger and I put it right on, and it's just so pretty and glowy. And I do like how it's one of those highlighters that isn't super overwhelming. Like, it looks very natural. Last step is the lips, and this has been my favorite everyday lip just because it's so easy to use. Kind of just throw it in your purse, and it's also very hydrating, like a lip balm. It's the Glossier Ultra Lip in the color Portrait. The last step is a little bit more of setting spray. This is again the Innisfree Dewy Glow Mist, and I just put this all over. This is the finished look, a super glowy 10-minute makeup, very quick, on the go. You can definitely substitute any of these products with other ones. I love this look when I am on the go, when I just want my makeup on and just out the door. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.